Hi guys.
Hello, hello.
I
Let's check.
think EJ or GCAT for me. I think I will have to take something maybe, but they don't want to break. But EJ is good, I think, if breaks.
Let's see. EasyCat was good, but it didn't come for a retest at all.
It was on another zone also, but yeah, I have to take something.
What did you say, EJ?
Yes, EJ.
Yeah, let's see. It's a pretty good zone. It's a pretty good zone. Gonna wait and
Yeah,
see
but
what happens.
needs to break more. Because on 4 hour it's little lower this recent peak.
Yeah, it doesn't matter actually, because you see the 1 hour. There's no kind of support below that. All the way maybe until here.
And GCAT, but it needs to break 10 pips at least.
GCAD,
But,
yeah.
but it's good, I think.
Yeah, it is. If it breaks good below,
Yeah.
see, we have a lot of bearish momentum right now.
Yeah.
It could be very nice, but we'll
But
see.
10 pips for GCAD minimum. But yeah, it doesn't look like. Yeah.
If it would close without a bottom wick, that would be perfect.
And I also send it AJ. It's very good, but it's not.
ADJPY?
Yeah, not this hour.
Yeah, ADJPY's been crazy.
Yeah, but
We'll
if
see if it
breaks,
breaks.
I have a line little lower to include the recent, the from bottom, you know. Oh, lower. Yeah, I have it
This
some.
one?
If it breaks, I think
Yeah,
it's.
but either way, it needs to close at least like 6-7 pips below.
Yeah, not this hour, no.
Yeah.
But EJ is giving some hopes now.
Yeah, let's see EJ. Let's see
It's
the
not.
4 hour. The 4 hour could be very good.
Yeah, but
You meant
it's
for this?
next hour. Yeah, this only one. But time maybe it's not a problem. No, the recent one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
This.
not no, even closer.
This
Yeah,
one.
this. Yeah. But it's not visible on. Oh, it looks good now.
Yeah, 1 hour doesn't seem
Yeah.
like there's some kind of support.
No, but I cannot be so picky now. I have to take something. I took a trade today.
That
but,
GU?
Yeah, it was good, but I didn't held.
Yeah, it was a good fake on.
Yeah, and in the beginning, it went 9 pips, but I opened only for 1% because I'm idiot. If I would open for 2, I would be done now. And later I closed because the 1 hour was like creeping little bit, and it went like 50 pips after that. But yeah, now we will do it with EJ Ice maybe. EJ looks very good. Hope it will not pull back anymore. I think 10 pips because this is too close. Or 9. It's not a very big break.
Yeah, it is not. We're gonna see. Maybe we're gonna have to trade the news at the end of the day if nothing comes. Hello guys. Are you trading the New York session now? No, I just thought I'm gonna make a stream. It's not that I'm gonna stream New York sessions or something. I trade New York session every day. Just sometimes there's no trade on New York session, or sometimes there's no trade on London, and we go on New York session. We trade whenever a setup comes.
It's like 4 pips.
Yeah, it's 4 pips. And even if it comes, it's probably going to be a deeper retest or something. But the zone is good. The zone is good. So bad that we didn't close better. Nice to see you guys too. Welcome back. Wait, let's see if there's something else. Wow, GU, what a drop. It's crazy drop. It's a good level, but I have doubts. I don't know if it's gonna come here for a retest. You know, I think whenever it comes, it's gonna be good, because we talked about this consolidation box. It's been so long consolidating there, and yeah. We have a long way to go here on GU. Free traffic, another 30-40 pips to the downside. If we could get a retest on this daily level, 4-hour level.
But 4 hour is not closed yet.
Yeah, it's not. There's still time. 1 hour, it seems like a big pullback needs to be.
Yeah, it's almost
made.
full candle. It's not good.
We're gonna see. I don't have hopes that's gonna come now though. I was just talking about whenever it comes, sooner or later, it needs to come for a retest. How did GCAD close? Bad. Bad close. What a crazy chart on GCAD.
Now it's very bad, because when next one will break, it will be again shit candle.
Your cat looks like did a breakout. EN, what about EN? EN was pretty good in the beginning, then it started to see it did close above. Now some kind of small breakout, 5 pips breakout, then it closed a little below. It is not same anymore. Maybe one thing that can happen here is we could have a close on this candle, on this current candle. If we do have a close like this and we get a pullback around here, we can take it.
EJ is coming, but
yeah, EJ is coming, but I don't know if I trust EJ right now. Just see the 4-hour, we can easily reject on this 4-hour. Let's just check if we have any kind of news coming up right now.
Yeah, USD.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
The USD wants to. Wait, 11 minutes. We have a speech on GBP. Okay, that's gonna move GBP a little bit. It's already moved though. GBP has moved a lot. Yeah, 30 minutes. We have USD. Looks like maybe you should try buy stops and sell stop for the news.
No, I don't think I think I can't trade news on my afternoon.
Oh yeah. I think,
but I
don't only
like.
if you buy before them.
Yeah.
With the news, or maybe you can trade after the news. Some kind of continuation.
I will have
the news can.
Now GCAT would be good if it closed like this hour inside the range and next hour breaks. But then it will be also a little late.
Malta is saying that there's no restriction today. You can trade the news.
I don't like this idea.
but you can risk only 0.50%. You know, and if the move moves a lot, if the news will move the market a lot, you'll get easy 1%. You have only one left, right?
Mm-hmm.
We'll see, we'll see. Just hoping that something will come up. See GJ here. GJ coming from the zone, and we have this resistance here on the left. We do have this resistance on the left. If GJ comes even a little bit higher, you could take some sells, I think, because it's gonna reject. You see how big this breakout candle is, this previous candle is. At least if it does come at least on the middle of this big bearish candle, we're gonna have some rejection. But where is the question? How deep this could come? We can see the 4 hour, yeah. See, we have this same level on the 4 hour too. Is price coming from another zone? We do have some rejections, but another strong support is a little below this. So there's potential that we might continue to the downside if we come for a retest around here at this zone. The 4 hour though, it's not closed yet. I don't know, we'll see. I don't want to force anything and then regret that, and then after a good trade comes and we regret that we didn't take. EJ looks like it's rejecting. See, gold has created pretty good resistance here, and putting a buy stop just above would be great here, because it pushes at least around here. Easy. You get risking 0.50, maybe you get 2-3%, who knows. You're gonna have to take something though, sooner or later. But what's gonna be, we don't know. This 80 cat is going all the way back up now. Good, we expected a break to the downside, but looks like it's not coming. Whole direction change now. If it breaks above, we can take it. Why not? No CAD news? Looks like not. Good to go. We are good to go. This should be great trade here. This has been consolidating for a long time. Have you started trading gold? Not really. I mean, if there's a good setup, I'm gonna trade it. If no, then only clean setups. How many online sessions do you plan to have on YouTube? We don't see you very often here. I don't really know. But one thing is that I'm not planning on doing them every day.
I am also watching NZD CAD. It has it's
ZDCAD.
on good level now. If it breaks up, it can be good.
Yeah, we'll see. It looks a very good level. Wait, this Euro GBP? Lejak, maybe? This could be something. This Euro GBP.
The Euro GBP is crap.
Yeah, it is. But it might work this time. It's a lot of bullish momentum. And
But
see the
we
1
have
hour.
a speaker, you said.
Oh, yeah. Forgot. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for this speaker. For this speech.
No, I will not take any stupid trades until I don't know what is your time, but
It's 2
until
p.m. now.
like how many hours from now? 1, 2, 3. Maybe in 4 hours I can take something stupid trade.
Okay.
But now there is some liquidity and maybe something comes. There is some possibility, so I will not force for. And then I will go like with 5% and hope I will get like 3 pips. That's enough.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna pass it today.
I hope so, man. I will
think so.
I will
think so.
kill myself. It's like maybe I am like 4th time on 90% now. On 9% now.
Yes.
It's stupid.
I mean, you gotta do it.
Yeah.
You're so close now.
And I sabotaged myself again today with GU. So now I have to be calm.
It's still not meant to be. But we'll see. We'll see today. Today I have very big hopes that we're gonna do it.
Me too. So this is my deal. Up to 6 o'clock my time. This is 4 UTC. I will not take any stupid trades. And then full margin, 5%.
Yeah. Then you just trade gold, 2 seconds, and
no, I think I will trade some very low volatility that goes one way and another one way. This way, it's a high probability that I will get like 3 pips because this is what I will need to get. Oh man. Nah, we will take some good trade and I will pass.
Bay2, where are you, my bro?
Oh, I'm here, bro. Sorry.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
I am great. I am
Bay2.
great.
Yes, bro.
You are going heavy now on FTMO.
Yeah, bro. I'm doing good right now. I'm
Nice. I hope you pass it in no
hopefully,
time.
man.
You have to.
I have
We have
almost 5% now today.
We have agreement now with Seth. If I will not pass or you will not pass, he will kick us from the Seth.
No,
FX.
bro, that would
Yeah.
be worse. No.
Look, EJ comes here. If the news will not do anything, this is what you need, Lajek. I would buy Euro GBP here, and this is all you need, 3 pips, and you get it.
I will get, yeah, if I go full margin. You think it's a good idea?
It could be. Let's wait. Let's wait, don't rush it.
Looks
too
like
early.
AJ trying again to break. It could be, yeah, it could be good one.
We'll
I
see
like
1,
it.
2, 3, 4. There's a fifth candle that's trying to break.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, it's just getting stronger and stronger.
This
I
zone
mean,
is crazy strong.
it's already strong. It's just getting stronger.
This is best case scenario when we have some old zone and then we have confirmation like in the fresh price action and then it breaks. It's best. But we need also like 5 pips minimum here, so we will see.
EJ would have played that.
Yeah. I was
EJ,
thinking about TJ, but yeah, it was weak, but I am too picky
3.5
again.
pips.
Yeah. 5 pips I would take it.
Yeah, 5 pips, yeah. Or a break without a bottom wick would take it. Even if it was 3.5 pips, just to have no bottom wick, we would take it. Long time no see. Welcome, my friend. Welcome.
GU is going up with no bottom wick. But it's again the news. It can fleece everybody.
Yeah.
And do the big stop run and goodbye. We can check after the news, like half an hour if it's.
See, maybe it's not gonna have any impact at all.
Or yeah, exactly, and maybe 4-hour break and then retest. It would be good.
Yeah.
It's in
because
next hour.
See, if this candle closes like this, you know, it leaves a small wick, and you go on the 4-hour. 4-hour is like this. Then the 4-hour might come a little bit.
Rejecting this level.
Yeah, but it's not very strong, this level.
Yeah.
Because we really got rejected from here. See, because price didn't stop here first. It came all the way down here, then it rejected, then it was some small consolidation here, then we went all the way up.
Yeah, I hate this FTMO shit.
This 4-hour could close like this, and 1 hour can close like this. Now what can happen is the next 1-hour candle pushes a little bit around here, because I don't think it's going to come all the way down up here. It comes a little bit, I think it's going to touch these wicks. Then that next 1 hour that I'm talking about will come all the way down, turn bearish, push some few more pips. Next candle pushes all the way, fills the wick maybe, and pushes a little bit more. That's what probably is going to happen. We'll see though. We'll see. Anything can happen. We have USD news. GBP USD can be affected by the USD news too. Why do I keep forgetting about the USD news? Yeah. We have USD news. GU is gonna be affected by them.
Yeah, but the news, it will be half an hour after the news. The next candle.
Yeah, you're right.
So it will be, maybe good to try. I will see. We have some options for now. It's possible that we get something.
Look at EA. What a deep pullback on the floor. You know what, Lejek? I would take some EA buys here. If I was you, I would take some EA buys. Look at this zone, how strong it is. It would make 0 sense for price to come all the way where the previous candle started. I know that you got rejected from this zone, but it's just too big of a range. It should at least reject like 10 pips. I would really buy EA here, because this is a really strong support, and I think it's gonna reject. And just look at the 1 hour candles. This going bullish at least around here. it's gonna go bullish. It maybe move another candle move all the way up. I just know that this 4 hour is gonna go all the way up. Maybe not all the way up, but at least 10-15 pip projection is very possible. Because it makes no sense for price to go bearish more than this. Makes zero sense here. And look, this was a very strong zone. We consolidated for days here. Look at all these. And now you have this big bullish candle above. I mean, only if it's going to be affected by the news. Otherwise, I think we're going to have some more continuation. It's not a classic break and retest, of course.
No, I will not take for now.
Okay,
Please.
okay, wait.
I will take this shit trade later. But yeah, maybe you're right. But EA, you know, it's also crazy bad. It's not like GU or something.
Yeah.
Seat,
Yeah?
what about Euro USD 4 hour for logic?
Euro USD 4 hour. What you thinking?
I'm thinking that we can break. Yeah, we can reject right there where price is, but 4 hour needs to close somewhere around here, and then we can reject off this week's.
Yeah, could be.
Like,
Let me check the daily.
Retest right now. It doesn't make sense for me to go all the way up again. It rejected already this this area here, and I don't see it going all the way up again.
Yeah, but it's only the news can change that now. If the news doesn't change the direction, then yeah, we could continue to the downside.
Yeah, if the news doesn't change the direction, the 4 hour should close bearish, right?
Yeah. We'll see about that. Yeah, I think EU can continue down. Look, the daily, we talked about the daily a little bit. We had this strong zone here, and it was consolidation after consolidation for days. Then we had this big bearish candle closing below this. Then price came for retest. We had some more consolidation. Then boom, we have another big bearish candle. Then this current daily, see how deep it came. I think this was the last retest. And one thing's for sure, if this current daily candle goes below these previous two candles, we're going all the way down. And that could be the 4 hour level that you're talking to. We're going all the way to the downside. It just seems this is like very familiar setup or candle formation. I've seen this many times. But the thing that we have news, it's unpredictable right now. EJ is on a retest with some clean candles on the left. Take a look at that as well. EJ, you thinking about buys or sells? I don't understand. If sells, it already happened, but we were having doubts because it was a weak breakout. Now the 4 hour closes below. Could be a chance. Could be a chance if the 4 hour closes below.
I'm checking my statistics on my 100 trades on DarwinX, and GCAT is the only GCAT and UJ is UJ is one. I only took one trade on UJ, but on GCAT I took 6 trades, and this is only pair that I lost on.
Yeah, because look at the chart. That's why.
Yeah, but I want to take Jika trade today. I'm stupid.
Beto will be here, don't worry. You're gonna continue live sessions regularly for now? I don't know. I don't know. USD CAD. This level is good on USD CAD. I was just waiting for it to come, but it didn't. It didn't come. How many minutes left? We have 5 minutes left. 4 minutes. Okay. Let's see what happens. Gold also here. Let's see, maybe I'll put some pendings on gold. Some buy stop above. Just a small risk, big reward.
And the cat is trying.
And ZD Cat could be the worst. Could be the worst pair in history. We need trades on good pairs, not these stupid pairs. Why do you air then go off for weeks? Are you not confident with your strategy? No, it doesn't have to do anything about it. I just don't have time for YouTube. And market's not been giving too many setups, to be honest. So I just do streams when I mean Zoom sessions when we have a trade coming. I have my group, so sorry guys, sorry YouTube people if I'm not gonna be every day there, but I'm every day for my group. I'm available. That's what's important. But the market's been very slow, to be honest. Very, very slow. It's been days, no setups, here and there some setups. I mean, the good thing is that every setup we got, it was a win. Almost every setup. I'm not sure, maybe we had a loss. Let me see.
We are very good.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have many, but the ones we have, they are epic. See, the last trade we took was USD CAD, and we had 35 pips, easy. 35 pips. Before that, we had no, actually that was Euro NZD. Euro NZD was the last trade, 35 pips. It was epic. EJ buys. We had EJ buys, I think. Yeah, this was break even because it took too long. Before that was USD CAD. USD CAD also gave us 20 pips. We had GJ. Before that, I closed at break even. Lejek made some pips. Before that, we had GU also win.
News are
See,
coming.
all wins. There's no losses. And it was only one loss. GCAT 10 pips loss.
I also took some loss on EU, but overall I am plus 9%, so it's good.
Yeah. I think it's unfair. Well, life is not fair, my friend. But if I'm not here, it doesn't matter, really, because there are plenty of streams, plenty. You already know now the strategy. Just gotta use all the information and you're done. No need for me. The point is to make you guys independent. So you guys don't need me to trade.
Not like me.
Because I can't be there all time, you know. I'm gonna be missing sometimes. But you guys know the strategy, know what to do. That's it. Just gotta have to apply what you know, what I teach you guys.
Beitu, how it is with you? You are now going full time or what is your plan?
No, Beitu is not here.
Oh.
No, he said he's gonna come back half an hour. GJ is there. GJ is there.
It can easy go to 94.
I think that's not very likely. That's not very likely to happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. It's a matter of nothing. The news are already up. We didn't have much movement. Gold is trying to do something, but nothing big. We can see now. If it goes above 1867, it could be a nice push to the upside. So we'll see. EA, nice rejection. It's gonna come at 600 probably. This is not proper serious trading group. Oscar, what's up, my friend? You seem a little bit mad.
We are super serious. Look, it's pro trading group. Look how many monitors that have. If this is not a pro, what is, man?
No, maybe he thinks that you only have to do YouTube. If you don't do YouTube, you're not serious. If that's the case, then I don't know. these guys maybe don't believe what I'm saying or something. I don't know. I was just gonna tell them the trade call room that where I give the setups. See, we give live trades. Even if I'm not doing YouTube, I'm trading with my group. We call trades live. Everything. We do same thing. See, 20, 35 is the cat buys. It's everything live. I know, guys, that I'm not on YouTube regularly, but just YouTube. You can't be equal with my students. My students are gonna get something more, of course. I know that I should have told you guys there's no streams or something, but had some things to deal with.
GJ at 87 now.
GJ at 87. Wow, what a pullback. What a pullback. $550 is a lot of money. We don't have to join, my friend. Actually, the group is not available anymore. Mentorship. It's not. It's closed. I don't need to keep it open anymore. The only thing I can do is give you guys a chance to join the trading call group that I have. If you want to have updates for trades and all things, I can make like a monthly something cheap, but no more students because it's closed. The group is closed. The only place you can join is this trading calls that I have, that group where I send live trades. Okay, GJ came pretty. Yeah, I think I don't think it's gonna go all the way up, to be honest. I think this time where it gets rejected. This is a time. And probably around 15 pip pullback. So we'll see. There's no classic break and retest right now. That's what we're missing right now. We don't have a clean break and retest. GA also pretty big pullback.
G got crazy.
GCAD. See, GCAD is the worst pair, man. The worst pair ever. Not ever, because it's been a time where when it's been so good to trade, but just lately, like last year or so, it's been acting totally different. Look at this consolidation. This is crazy. You can't trust the breakout, even if in a major zone. It's still gonna have doubts about it. I think GBP pairs next candle probably is gonna push down. Lejek, you lost 6 pips. See, market's dead. You guys want streams, but market is dead. I mean, we can just stay and watch charts all day, but nothing is gonna happen. Like, this is most of the time what's happening. I just here and there you get some trades, and maybe they come on different times. That's why it's not worth doing streaming, because you're just gonna stay there for hours maybe and you get nothing. And if I want to do streaming, I want to have, action. We all want action. We don't want just to stare at charts doing nothing. It's time for GJ to continue. See, now the 4 hour, do we have the 4 hour close now?
Yes.
Yeah,
Next
so
hour.
probably the next 4 hour just makes a small wick and then fills the wick, at least half of it. It's pretty big now. It's around
GU is much better, I think. GJ is 30.
GU it is. It is better because it closed below this 4 hour support and daily and broke this consolidation. It's good, but I'm not sure if it's gonna come all the way up. I think it might make just a small wick and then continue. It could be a rejection on these wicks here. EA is gonna go up, of course. Of course, gonna go up. It's just a matter of time. Next candle either makes a small wick to the downside and then pushes. It's gonna come at least at 600 probably. At least. It's a total of 20-25 pips. The next 4 hours is gonna push up. It just didn't make any sense EA to go to the downside. Hammer candlestick, I have no idea about that, but from what I see it looks like it's gonna continue. See, just by the look of the charts, you guys see that we haven't been able to trade too much. There's just too much consolidation on all pairs. GBP US dollar, GBP JPY, look at all this consolidation. Look at this, all this consolidation in USD CAD, everything, it's been the same, just consolidation after consolidation. Look at this. See, there's no clear direction yet on any of these pairs. There's just consolidation all the time. Look at GCAD. It's crazy. What do you think? EA has a huge pullback, about 30 pips. I was stopped out after following your strategy. Let's see if you followed our strategy. Now, what did you do? You took buys, right? You took buys following my strategy. If you followed my strategy, you should have taken buys here. So price coming from here made 11 pips push to the upside, right? So you didn't get stopped right away. If we would take this trade, could have been a trade with a 10 pip stop loss. And that means we already got our profits at 10 pips. You would have to secure some here, move your stop at break even, and leave it to run for more. I'll leave a runner maybe, close 70%. So it did reject first. This is a second candle coming. So the break and retest actually worked. Hello, my friend. Good to see you too. Right now, guys, we don't have really much going on. We even had news, but nothing much moved from the news either. We're having these huge pullbacks on GBP pairs, which I think they're all going to continue to the downside. It's just a matter of time now. Now GU closes like this, next candle maybe pushes up a bit again, just to make a wick on the 4 hour. Then we continue to the downside. We'll see. The market's not very stable right now, so you can't read 100% the market, what's going to do, but just based on experience. After a big bearish candle like this, you can never expect a full pullback. It's always going to be like coming at least at the middle of the candle, then reject. Except for GCAT, because GCAT is a crazy pair. GCAT does it. There's exceptions for GCAT.
AJ trying again. It might be good. I will take it for sure.
Hopefully we get a good breakout. So break and retest only works on the first candle after breakout? No. But it's always good if the first candle does the retest and rejects and gives you enough, then comes back again, that's a second retest, then it becomes risky. You can't let this go then all the way in drawdown when it already gives you your profits that you needed in the first place. If you use 10 pips and 10 pips take profit, you get 10 pips, move your stop at break even, secure 70%, comes back again, you leave it then. It's done. Is this a second candle? That's why I say try to take the first retest always, because there's momentum. There's good momentum, you have a good breakout, it's a high chance of continuation. After it spends more time, it becomes more risky to continue up that. So it all depends on the setup. Different setup, different kind of rules applied. UJ. Haven't traded UJ in so long. Every time we end up trading UJ, we close at break even. Every single time. daily on GJ is ugly. It is an ugly candle. You know, if I would see if this candle wouldn't be here, I would say, okay, this is gonna be a retest on the daily and gonna fill this range to the upside. But I guess too much news changed the direction. But technically this should have gone all the way to the upside. This should have gone all the way to the upside. We might even have a fake out now on lower time frames, and just to continue, because it made a lot of sense for more continuation. You can see how it got rejected first on the first touch. Then clearly this was some kind of news because of the push that we had. Now we're having pullback.
What do you think, on
Yeah.
EJ for hour and GU for hour?
I don't know, to be honest. I don't. You know, EJ coming for another retest, that would make me a little bit concerned, maybe. Even though it's just going to be a 4-hour retest. But the 1 hour already did one. Now the 4-hour coming again. I mean, in the other side, it's good that we had this retest because it just tells us that it did respect the zone. Now, if it comes for a retest on the 4-hour, one thing I'm concerned is that it might make like a deeper pullback after this huge bearish candle. It might make a deeper pullback, that's the only thing. I mean, on the left, it's a quite messy setup if you look at it, because we have plenty of rejections here too, or right where price is. I don't know, these charts are messy as hell. Too messy. And GU is maybe better. Maybe a little better. Markets are slow as hell lately, my friend. Hello, my friends, hello. I've been here and there, you know, just having some things to do. And I'm actually looking for a new place lately, so I've been a little busy looking around. And maybe I'm gonna move out. Gold. So gold is actually right now at resistance. We've been rejecting a few times till now. This levels 1867. Plenty of rejections. This current candle also rejecting. So what is the plan on gold? Sorry guys. The plan is, you can see on the left, the next level is all the way up around here, and that's a very good range. So all you gotta do is wait for a break above here, a retest and some continuation. You just need a good break above. I think if it breaks, it's going to be a nice 30-40 pip move to the upside. So just maybe a matter of time. To the downside, I'm not really sure about to the downside because you see there's no same level like we have to the upside. You know, to the downside, it's not the same level. It's a little bit more complicated. Or we have, you know, weak zones to the downside. So waiting. GJ pushing higher. We have 5 minutes left. What is going to happen here? Honestly, it is complicated. It is complicated right now. GBP USD, almost a full pullback. My prediction is here, since we have this big bearish candle, is that this candle probably closes like this now. 4 minutes left. The next one pushes a little higher. 4 hour makes a wick, then we get rejected. So what can we do here? I think we can do something like this. I think if we take sells here, we put our stop just above the breakout candle here. Above this, we should be good. Should be good. We can get like easy 10 pips here. I might risk it here for the biscuit. 10? No, we should get at least 15 here. Should be an easy setup, easy trade. Because it wouldn't make sense to continue all the way above this previous candle. 0 sense. It would make sense to fill this 4 hour wick, but we're gonna need a pullback first on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour a little bit of a push, and we should reject from the wicks. The zone is a little higher, but it needs to come too deep for that retest. That's why I would prefer sells here before waiting for price to come deeper, because it might not come. And if it comes, we know why it is coming deeper in the zone. We know the reason, but I believe it's going to continue down. We just need that pullback so we can enter. Two minutes left. Hello, welcome. What if it closes above? If it closes above, we can't do anything, but most likely it's not gonna close above because we don't have time for that. There's no time to close above. What do you say, Lezek? You up for it?
I don't like this 4 hour setups, but yeah, I think I will take it.
The 4 hour is ugly as hell. This is the worst 4 hour you can get. But it is a possible trade that can happen. And we'll see. it's not good that we are pushing on last minutes, you know. That's one bad thing, because we get like
Yeah,
close
now
without a
it
top
looks
weight.
very bad. I don't think we should take it.
No, this is gonna push down after a little push to the upside. That's it. You gotta come a little higher. We have another USD news in 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm gonna take some sells on GBP US dollar. Sells on GBP US dollar right at where price is, but I'm only entering half because I expect this to come a little higher. Nice. A little higher and I enter everything. Let's see, stop loss. Stop loss around 15 pips. Okay, good. Now I enter another half. So we are in. Let's try this. Let's try this. So first entry and second entry. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. So I have entries lower and higher. My first entry is 680, I think, and last 720, 3-4 pips range. Let's try and see what happens. And I think what we can get here, we can get around 15 pips, 10 at least, but we should get around 15, if not more. Let's see. Once it goes bearish, a nice push, we get 10, then a little bit more, we get 15. It's not the best ever, it's not the best setup ever, but we don't have a better one right now. And other setups, other pairs are all pretty messy. So this was the maybe cleanest one that we could find. Let's go GU. Let's go GU. Let's push. Isn't that bull candle too strong? It doesn't really matter, because as long as it's below that resistance, we're good. I know that it seemed like it's coming all the way up, strong push, but at the end of the day it closed still below. I've seen these setups 1,000 times, and this is a very high chance setup. Took the break and retest on EURUSD during last hour's candle and won thanks to you. Just wanted to thank you for your knowledge. Spencer, That's great, my friend. Happy for you. Congrats. We have around 6 pips on some positions, and on some positions we have around 3. Let's see. We need more. Maybe it's gonna take some time, but slowly and steady we should continue down. The news on USD are in 1 and 25 minutes, 1 hour and 25 minutes. We do have some time. We'll see if GU is going to decide to continue or not. The only time when this becomes not valid if it comes above this big bearish candle. If it comes above, then probably we're gonna have a fake out or something. We'll see. We're gonna find out soon. Aren't you moving to Pakistan like Raja? No. Raja is moving to Pakistan. Lucky him. Is it possible to fill the wick of the previous 4-hour candle on GU? That's what we're waiting for actually. Because we knew that the 4-hour is going to make a wick. Now if you look at the 4-hour, there's a chance that we might come a little deeper. But not all the way where we said that becomes not valid anymore. Because it's too high. Now, I knew that it's going to make a pullback on the 4-hour. I was like 100% sure about that. And I expected this push. So it's just a retest, I think, for some continuation to the downside after. It's just the 7 minutes, only 7 minutes in. So until the last minute of the candle, you can't say it's gonna fail unless we're gonna come and touch stop loss, of course. Unless we get stopped, there's hope until the last minute. Is there a chance that price might come all the way up here, then reject? That would be very unlucky if it happens, because it wouldn't make any sense. I think this is right where we should reject. The highest it could come may be here, because that's where the 4-hour level is. That's the highest. But you know, sometimes you don't get that perfect retest, so the perfect retest doesn't need to happen right now, and we should be good. How you manage risk in this trade? How you manage risk? I'll tell you what to do after. This is terrible trade. Oscar, why are you so mad, my friend? What did I do to you? Oscar, what did I do to you, my friend, that you seem so angry with me? Tell me, my friend, tell me.
Chcę wziął jakiegoś trada, ale mi się to w ogóle nie podoba.
Oscar, it doesn't matter, my friend. You know, you can't be 100% win rate here because I'll make too much money. It's just another trade. This doesn't make a difference in my trading history, you know? I have already 5 wins before this. It's just another trade. It doesn't matter if I lose money. This is the idea here. You gotta risk. You gotta accept that you can lose. You have to think about that you can lose this trade just before entering. So I know that I can lose it. I accept the loss if it happens, but the chances are that I win it. Are there chances that I lose it? Yeah, of course. There's always chances of losing a trade, even if it's a perfect trade, even if it seems like a perfect setup, there's still a chance that you might lose it. So I want to risk it. Let's see what happens. I lose it, still I don't regret for taking it. Bro, we had setups that looked perfectly fine, and we had no reason at all to go to the other way, you know, against us, and it failed sometimes. It happens, of course. Like I said, this is not the perfect setup ever, but it's the best we have right now. Still early. Still, until it comes all the way up here, I don't believe that's going to be a fake cut until it comes all the way up here and I get stopped. Because there's plenty of time. Until my stop loss get hit, then I'll say okay. I'll accept the loss. But it's still too early right now. If this goes bearish again, game over. Because it did once, but it did early on. Now, when it starts to go after 30 minutes pass, or now, depends, then it's a different story. Hello, glad to see you back. Welcome, Ed, my friend. Good to see you too. Is it a sell or a buy? I don't know if I should answer, my friend, because if you don't know that, you are in big trouble. But is it a sell? It is a sell. What I would suggest to you is go to babypips.com and learn maybe the basics so you know what we do here. And maybe you don't get confused or something, because you can misunderstand and lose money. For all the people who are new, go to babypips.com. It's the best website that you have all the basics there, basically. Did you try binary? Yeah, like 5 years ago. I tried binary. It's a stupid thing to do. Binary is stupid. Makes no sense. Maybe for some people it's not. I mean, there's probably people who make money on binary, but I don't know any, to be honest. I tried one time and for me it's not good. Is it riskier? It is, of course. Lost money at the last second, yeah. Yeah, you lose money in the last second. Don't do binaries. It's not worth it. It's like gambling, you know. I don't know how you read the market on binary and what you do. It's just not for me. It is not for me. How long you've been profitable? Oh, it's been some years now. It's been some years. GU taking some time, but see, the thing is, it's been 16 minutes, almost 20 minutes, and price is still here. What does that tell you? It tells you that it's respecting it. We're getting some rejections here and there, still here, but once we reject once for good, we're going all the way down. But the good thing is that we are rejecting this. It's holding. It's not done yet. Still have time. Glad to see you back. How's the A6 doing? Oh, it's doing great. It is doing great. Not bad at all. Where are your take profits? My take profit is, we'll see. I gotta go, it has to go into profit first, then we'll see. But I'm looking for 10-15 pips at least. Will it close half if it goes backward halfway, or will it hold out away until stop loss? All the way to stop loss. Only if it closes above or something, and then we get a chance to close half or something, then maybe I close half or so. But it's too early to close half right now. Unless I get stopped, not gonna close early. You know, as long as this candle is open, either stop loss or take profit. Then when this candle closes, we can make a decision. But it's never done until the candle closes. What do you think of CAD-JPY? CAD-JPY seems like it's at support right now. Maybe a push to the upside, I don't know. Could continue a little bit. But the Magnet Man, I don't know where the Magnet Man is. It's been a while. I think I deleted it. Let's see. Maybe we'll get stopped. I don't know. It's still early to think that. I expected to come at least here. If you guys remember, I said at least we can expect to come here, but not higher than that. Not higher than that, because the 4-hour level is deeper. That's why. See the 4-hour level? It's right here. So we can expect a pullback here, but not above the previous candle. Then it would be a bad setup. As long as it stays below this, we're going to be good. If it goes above, then we're going for a loss. But as long as it stays below, we could be still good. We'll see. There's still time. Geo is coming higher. Let's see. If we go above this, it's going all the way up, probably. What do you think on Ripple? I don't know. I don't deal with currencies at all. Come on, Geo. Come on, Geo. Don't do this. UK not live in lockdown, might push down in news. News, we don't have news right now. Let's see. It's coming even deeper. Yeah, we'll see. Price coming all the way out to our stop loss, then probably we get a whole different kind of movement after that. Even though it doesn't make sense, we'll see. We will see. This is where I said it's the highest it should come. Now it's going past that. We're getting in trouble now. First visit here, what are my favorite pairs? My favorite pairs are I could say the first three that you see on the list. Do you see them? The first three favorite pairs you can see. These are my favorite pairs, these three. Then you have some stupid pairs that I trade sometimes. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. but they are tradable. No. If it's going to reject, it's going to be now. Well, it has to be. If it's gonna reject, it needs to be now. Otherwise, we're going all the way up. There's just two ways. Either it's going up or down. That's a good thing in Forex, because either it goes up or down or consolidates. So there's not too many options. The worst thing would be to stop us and then continue down. That would be the worst thing. I don't like that it came this high. It's probably not gonna reject now. Stop loss is almost hit now. Almost. Just a matter of 1.2 pips maybe. Geo makes 0 sense to continue up. Even if we get stopped, I think we're still gonna continue down. Maybe come like this, then continue. You know, we're gonna get a pullback for sure. But we'll see. Maybe the news had the impact after. You know, because the USD news didn't have impact when they were released. They came, price didn't really move that much. After, maybe then the effect came after they were published, released. You have a buy limit at 1.40150. Oh, yeah. Your buy is way too low. We are too far from that right now. Imagine if it rejects now. I mean, it would be crazy. Now the thing is, now the 30 minutes have passed. I don't know right now. We're too deep now. I don't know. We came too deep. We came too deep right now. Either the new 30 minutes gonna push straight, or we're gonna get rejected little by little, maybe close below, then the next candle pushes, but that's gonna take too much time. It's gonna take too much time. Can you check, please? Money run, my friend. I don't know about the idea that you have. I don't know. Buys at 1.40150. So you have buys. You have buys here, right? 150. I don't know why buys there. You expect some rejection if it comes there, or what? Or do you have a trend line? I bet you have a trend line. 100%. You sent a chart? I don't know if that's gonna work, that chart. Wrong chart, my friend. Send the proper link. Lejek, we are so unlucky, my friend. Still holding?
Yes, but I have better entries.
Yeah.
I entered 79 and 83.
79, 80. Yeah, you have.
I can go out now, like break even. Do you think it's a good idea, or otherwise, if price comes to around 73, I passed.
73 you pass.
Yeah, because I put
Okay.
2% on this.
And how
So
much you lose?
If it
Yeah,
only
good entry.
Yeah, if it only goes above the candles like you have,
Yeah.
then maybe 1%.
Okay, you don't lose much. Yeah,
But
let's see. We can
I
still
was
have a
thinking,
chance.
I don't know if now I am 100 in profit, so I can close break even. You think? Or another?
I don't think is you're still gonna have to take another trade, you know. So why not just
I
keep
need
this? We'll see what
5 more
happens.
pips. I think even if it goes up, it should do some
Pullback, yeah,
rejection.
yeah. It needs to do. Look,
Because it was going crazy, but it's with
yeah.
news, so I don't know.
Yeah, I think
It's not the perfect trade.
if this candle rejects more and closes or like around here, I think still next candle is gonna push down. 100% if we don't get stopped in this candle, the next one is gonna drop. But we'll see. It's a good thing that we are safe for now. For now, we are a little bit safe. We'll see. It just doesn't make sense, to be honest. It makes 0 cents price to go all the way to the upside.
Man, I hate this. I hate this 4 hour against the 1 hour momentum.
Yeah.
I hate this.
Money.
But yeah, I normally I would not take it. But
yeah, normally I wouldn't take it either.
Yeah, but
Normally I wouldn't take it either. Money run is very, very right. He said, don't forget geo range for a month. This means a lot, geo range for a month, for a full month, maybe even more. And
yeah, it should
just
now.
broke.
It should explode. But
Yeah,
yeah,
it should continue. It's just a matter of time, I think. And
yeah, but it can go higher to
yeah,
4 hour levels.
it's just this pullback was too deep. Is it gonna be fake out? we'll see. I mean, everything can happen now, but we still have a chance probably. If we don't push one, if it comes one more here, we're getting stopped for sure. But if we get to stay around here a little bit until the candle closes, then the next candle probably is gonna push down. But the closer it gets here, we're gonna get stopped. Well, I like that you have pretty good entry, because I entered a little bit early. This is just my first entry. My second is deeper, 7:30 or something. So we'll see. I've seen many setups like this. I know what happens. It rarely happens that price goes all the way in and returns as a fake out. I know that the next candle, if this stays below, it doesn't get stopped, the next is gonna push down and come at least around here. A nice bearish candle. But we'll see. I mean, it's never 100%.
It went without correction all the way from the bottom against the the main trend. So, but you never know. It's going on.
It's just, I think the news had effect after they were released, I think, a little by little, because there was no instant reaction from the news when they got released. So it just started to build up little by little. We'll see what happens. It's just gonna keep us here for a while. No, I'm not out yet. No, because I count the spread also. Yeah, if it comes right where it touched last time, it's gonna touch our stop loss then, 860 or something. But we'll see. Little by little. Is getting rejected. Look, the setup was risky. I said in the beginning, it's not the best, but it made sense to continue. It's just no luck. A little bit unlucky. David, you're +2 not passing yet last week of FTMO. Man, David, if you only knew that Lezak is for the 4th time and his 9% profit every time, for 1% he missed. So you're still, good compared to Lezak. You did 2%, you need much more. You're a little bit too far. But I wish you luck. Maybe you'll have some good setups coming. Let's go, GU. Just finish us. Either a win or loss. Let's just finish. It's taking too much time. Same place. I mean, you gotta move either to the upside or to the downside. David, as long as you have a free try, that's good. You can always pass it the next time. Just try to stay in profit, so you get another chance. Because better conditions can come, then you can pass it maybe. Because there are weeks that you don't get many setups. need to go get some water. I'm gonna get some water and I'll be right back here. We're not going anywhere until we are done with this. Do not worry. Not going anywhere, just getting some water. I'll be back. Okay, I see. Still there. Still there. Very close stop loss. Doesn't want to go down. It's coming. It's coming for a stop loss. Unlucky until now. We have another 15 minutes. Not too much time now. Not too much time. Yeah. Stopped. No luck on this one. You stopped us. Lezak, it's not meant to be yet. Yet another time. Now he's getting rejected. Someone said it's gonna stop him out and it's gonna go down. Maybe you're right. Why we have to wait until stop loss? Because I don't understand why do you have to, because that's where stop loss is. You have to wait. Otherwise, if you close too early, it might still go to your way. You close too early before your stop loss gets hit and it still goes your way.
I am still in. Do you think to close or it was stop hunting?
No. Stay. It might still go.
I don't know.
Now that it got rejected, it's real. Just stay. Stupid Jew. Just stopped and continue. Look, if it didn't stop you, just stay. Simple. Stay. Put the stop now right where they made this high and leave it there. Now you're passing this. Next candle is pushing down. 100%. Let's go. A little bit more. Next candle pushes. You said 7:30, you finish. Yeah, it needs to come at 7:30.
I'm not sure if it maybe it only wants to go up.
No, leave it now. Since you didn't close, now leave it. It got rejected, see? It's gonna touch 7:30. Lezak, you're gonna pass it, bro. It is time. It is time to touch 7:30. Come on, Gio. Let's go. Just a little bit more. So another 3-4 pips. It doesn't matter that I got stopped. It matters Lezak to pass the challenge, and it's so close. He just needs 7:30 and done. Stupid Jew taking too much time. I took a loss, guys. I did take a loss, but Lezak is still in. Hopefully it goes 7:30 at least. Look at the 4-hour. Makes 0 sense to continue up. 0 cents. It probably is gonna melt on the next hours. Guys, there's no fake out until the candle closes above the previous candle. There's no fake out. This is why we wait for price to hit stop loss, because you don't know until the candle closes. It's not a fake out until the candle closes back in the range. And the candle is not closing back in the range just yet. The thing is, we waited to retrace here on the 1 hour, but the 4 hour level is higher. So we're gonna have to see what happens. It's pushing again. Let's see. Still time. I just know that if we get a little bit more rejection, next candle is gonna push down. Will you take another? No, I'm done. I'm not gonna take anything else here. It stopped me out. I'm not taking anything else. I am done with it. Has created a new strong support at 1.40772. 772. Where's the support at 772? Only if it closes above, then done. But good thing is to stay below. Yeah, like I said, it could have been the effect from the news, but just after, there was no instant impact. It came slowly. GU. No way. No way, it wants to close above. Close, Lizard, close. It's not good anymore. What a stupid pullback. The worst pullback you can have ever. 0 cents. Still, we have some time to find one more, if it's possible. Shit. Logic. This is gonna be the only chance left. This gold, if it closes above. Otherwise, everything else is just stupid right now. Look at GJ, did the same thing. Came all the way above the previous candle. we're just gonna wait to see how this kind of closes, and I don't think we have something else. Euro NZD, yeah, I talked about Euro NZD. Look at EA, perfect. Should have taken EA instead. Euro NZD, I said that we need a candle above this and a retest for more continuation. Yeah, I think EN could be good actually, because this level held. It's good now. Price is bullish, closing above. But I think I'm not gonna take another trade today. I'm gonna wait for tomorrow. Maybe something good comes, because too messy today. Geo gonna reject again. AUD NZD. No way, we don't trade AUD NZD. Might be the worst pair with the worst spread ever. Spread is so high. I bet Lazek still holding. I bet Lazek is still holding too.
Oh, I closed, unfortunately.
You did?
Yes.
Yeah, it's. I said also close it because it looked like really it's gonna go to the moon after that push. Here it goes now. At the end of the hour. What a stupid pair. What a stupid pair. This is the stupidest thing to ever could have done. See, now it comes at 7:30. Because next hour is going down. Now, we knew that G is going to push. I knew that it's going to push, but we didn't know where. It pushed too high. Unfortunately, it came too high. I did not expect to come this high. I expect to come around here, you know, at least, but not to move all the way above the previous candle. Didn't make any sense. Now this is going bearish, and it's gonna go below this previous candle. That's how it goes. Okay guys, I have to go now. Thank you everyone for being here today. Have a nice day. Unlucky today. Lezek, I don't know what to say. You have to try somewhere. Either cold or something.
Yeah, I will try something.
Just, you have to stay in profit at the end. Don't risk everything. Good luck, my friend. I hope you pass it today. You need some luck.
Oh, thanks. See you guys later.
See you. See you guys. Thank you all. Maybe tomorrow we do another one. Either it's gonna be London or New York session. I don't know. It's not the same anymore. Just a London session. Whenever I have time, maybe could be London, maybe New York session. So we'll see. Thanks everyone for being here today. See you hopefully tomorrow. We go back. Maybe we make this loss back because today was a messy day. Thanks everyone for showing up today.